I've been working on the 4x8 fall garden. As you can see, that pile of stuff right there was all growing in here. Kind of like that is. So I'm just digging it up by the roots and getting out big pieces of stuff that didn't compost this past year. So all of that will go in my new compost pile. And I'm using this bucket here. Just a light little bucket. As I dig this, pull these up, I just put them in the bucket and then pile them right there. But later, I'll be taking that and putting it in the compost pile way back there. But look at these. This is what I wanted to show you. These are my greens. They're going to seed. I'm letting them do that because it's natural for them to want to do that. They'll all go to seed, and they get these really pretty yellow flowers on there. You see the pretty little flowers? They get all these little flowers on there, just tons and tons of little flowers, and they will make thousands of seeds. And what happens to those seeds? Well, they fall to the ground. What do those seeds do? Those seeds sprout and make thousands of more little plants. Some of these are, I got some kale plants in there, like right here and down in there. I don't think they're going to seed. They'll go to seed later. But what is going to seed right now are I always forget what these things are called. Turnips. Sorry. Had a brain thingy there. But turnips. And of course the greens are called the turnip greens. But these things will go to seed and grow, and we'll have tons of turnip greens grown in this area. And whenever the kale decides to go to seed, then it will do the same thing. All those seeds will fall to the ground, and I'll end up with this whole area. You know, I was trying to keep it within a 4x12 area, but if it happens to spread everywhere, I'm fine with that. I'm also preparing this because in here we had a ton of little tomatoes that fell off the vines, and you can see, right? Tons of little tomatoes that had fallen off the vines in here. And those seeds are all down in here. Oh, look at that worm. Oh, look at that cat. Look at that cat. Oh, camera hog. Camera hog. Cat thinks I'm talking to her. Anyway, a ton of little tomato seeds are in here, and they're going to sprout and they're going to grow. And there's a ton out here too. All in these. If they grow, wonderful. And we'll just have 1,000,000 little tomatoes. And in these pots too. Don't you go duty in my garden. Get. Psst, get. That's the bad thing about trying to do gardens. For animals like the cat, they think that the only reason that anybody would ever dig in dirt is to cover fresh duty. They don't understand what a garden is. They just think it's a place to go potty. Okay, well, I guess that's a good little update on my 4x8 fall garden. And the reason I call it fall garden is because I have fallen behind. Kitty cat's hunting. That cat eats a ton of bugs. Oh, I think she got it. All right, talk to you later. Let's get gardening.